Alright, let's check out what's going on with XRP. So this is the first TA video I've done on XRP. I'm not really too sure if many of you will be interested on this, so I guess I'll see how this video does, and if it gets some good response, then I'll start adding this to maybe my daily or every other day. I will do a review on this. So just starting off, if we do look at the fibs from the high to the low, we have kind of come crashing through this box, but do discount that slightly because we are in a nice bullish pennant right now. So the bullish pennant is really the number one thing that I would be looking at. Personally, I would not like at all for us to break below 77. At worst, we could have a fake out down to this previous low, setting up for something like a triple bottom, at which point, if we don't hold 74, come back into this pennant and have a breakout, I do think we would need to start looking at much lower price targets. So all in all, do bear in mind that right now XRP is setting up quite nicely. If we do take this this bullish pennant and see the price target, this would put us well above the 200-day moving average, well above the 1.618, and it would bring us nicely up to $1.12. So do bear in mind, I'm not necessarily saying this is too likely to happen. I do find it kind of unlikely that XRP is going to pump 43%, mainly because if we come over to the total crypto market cap, we have broken below the 1.84 trillion. And if I do zoom out, you can see that this nicely lines up with the 618, which not so nicely we are now below. So in my opinion, the total crypto market cap has broken bearish, and Bitcoin has also broken bearish. We've broken below 40k, just broken down out of this McDonald's pattern. So I mean, all in all, the market is not looking too great. Do bear in mind, I know this is an XRP video, but I like to sometimes look at BTC, the total crypto market cap, and the SPY stock market as leading indicators for altcoins, mainly because if we look at the stock market is tanking below the 200-day right now. This has brought down the total crypto market cap, which has brought down Bitcoin, and in turn, I mean, XRP seems to be holding up pretty well, but since this big pump, we have corrected 20%. So all in all, if you are looking for like some hopium or some bullish price targets, we would need to stay above at the minimum 74. I would like to see us stay above 77. We have nicely back tested the bottom of this bullish pennant, and we are right now back into this bullish pennant. So I mean, all in all, if we do stay in this bullish pennant, we will have a decision on whether we're going to break out bullish or bearish on the 27th of February. This is the apex of the bullish pennant, or you could call this the apex of the triangle, which is obviously the when the bullish pennant should end by. So all in all, that is the daily analysis. If we do look at the RSI though, the RSI has been harshly rejected from the 70, so do keep an eye on that. If we do start heading down, it would probably be indicative that we are going to break below the 74. There's not a lot of volume coming in. I mean, if we do zoom out, you can see the volume has been fairly stagnating for a while on this coin. And I mean, if we come over to Bitcoin, it is it's somewhat similar throughout the whole market. There's not too much volume coming in for these coins. The total crypto market cap specifically is seeing quite a lot of selling volume right now. So personally, I would not be investing in altcoins. If you wanted to make a long, then if we did break out of here, back tested the round about 80 cents, then we could be off for a very, very nice long. And I don't see too much resistance coming in apart from this big red box up here. This would line up with the 200-day moving average at 96 cents and the previous micro high here at 91. So if we do zoom out, look for a slightly more macro perspective. If we do take the all-time high, drag it to the low, we have had quite a few lows on here, so I mean, this is very valid. We've held up from here nicely. You can see currently we are still below the 236. So technically speaking, and technically speaking is obviously the best way to speak, I would like to see us break at least above this 85 cents before I do get bullish. If we did break above 85 cents, came back tested at a support and headed off to the races, it might be a good time to accumulate or get some as a long. But just to reiterate, I mean, if we do come over to the total crypto market cap, the markets are looking fairly bearish right now. If If we do come over to the Bitcoin dominance as well, Bitcoin dominance is above the 200-day moving average. So if you don't really know what this means, the more the Bitcoin dominance moves up, the weaker altcoins get priced against Bitcoin. So that's all I'm seeing for XRP right now. Keep an eye on 74 and 77 as levels we need to hold if we want to see this breakout. So yeah, that's all I'm seeing for XRP right now. Once again, none of this is financial advice. This is just my opinion on the market, and you've always got to do what's best for you. Peace.